Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free video editor software for Windows and Mac computer that every YouTuber and blogger should try. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for the application name as Video Pro Blogger, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. So now you can see its official website, so you can check its details, what are the features it's gonna provide. So you can see here very long details, right? So you can read if you wish to read. So I'm not gonna make you bored by showing each and every details that is being present in the website. So you can see here download option, that is you can see here it's available for Windows as well as for the Mac computers. So firstly, download on your respective Windows or Mac computer, whichever computer you are using. And after that, just run the software installer. So just click on install to proceed with the installation. Wait for a few seconds until the complete installation of the software is done. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can click on launch to start this using this application. So you can see here it's started. So you can click on here by clicking on the new project. So before clicking on the new projects, as you can see here, the video resolution, right? So it's very important. So select the video resolution, whichever resolution you want to edit. If you're having a 4K, then 4K, and if you're having a full HD, right now I'm having only a full HD, which I'm gonna edit. And you can change the frame rate also depending upon your needs. So I'll just keep it 30 frame, and you can see here the locations where the output file will be gonna shape. So I'll just click on new project. So now you can see here, first time you may see this kind of message, right? And below you can see here get one for free. So you can just click on get one for free and put your email address, and they will send you a free license code which you can use for a lifetime, and you can use it totally free. So now you can see the user interface of this software, right? So you can see here on the left side you can just drag to your video file. So let me drag the video file here. So I'll just drag the video file. So now I have added here a video. So to edit it, you need to just drag it below. So you can see here a preview of this video, and on the right side you will see different options like opacity, color and filters, transform, volume, reverse play, tons of options, right? So before proceeding, let me show you one option. So you can see here on the left top corner video frog, right? Just click on it and you can see here settings, right? Just click on this. Now here you can see what option GPU. So in this video you have not seen hardware scanning, since I have already used it, so it's not showing me again. So you can see here you will be shown this instruction if you are using it for the first time in your respective Windows or Mac computer. Then it will scan your hardwares, and if it does not meet the hardware requirements for this software, then you may not be able to use this software. So if your hardware requirements for this software is available on your respective Windows or Mac computer, then only this software will gonna work. So if you're lucky, then it will gonna work, and if you have powerful computer devices, then definitely it will gonna work. So now let us proceed with the software. So now you can see here below, you can see here once you select this video, you will be shown tons of options here on the below. So you will get a split all, ripple effect. Here you will get 2 times stretch, speed, cropped, motions, color, detach. You can even add a voiceover. You can see here you can add a voiceover. So right now I'm using an external microphone, so it is auto detecting. So if you're using an external microphone, then you can use this voiceover to give your or add audio or voiceover in your respective video. And you can see here you can add a text and here extractor, right? So these are the tons of options you'll be gonna get while you are using this video editor to edit. And in the above, you can see here just near to the media library a transition, right? If you click on the transition, you will see a different transition option that has been available inside the software, right? So you can apply those transitions just by dragging it on your respective video. And just near to it is a title. You can add any titles. You can see here the title designs, the templates available inside this software that you can use if you wish. And the last option on the above is the add effects. So if you want to add effects, then you can use these effects, right? So now say I want to add a zoom in and zoom out effects. So for this you can choose this motion. Just click on this motion. Now it will take you to the different layout page, right? So you can see here tons of options like zoom in, fast zoom in. If you want a fast very quickly zoom in, then you can use this, and zoom out, fast zoom out. And there you can see move right, move left. You can move your video. Tons of options. You can see a huge number of options in the motions, since it's mainly for bloggers and for the YouTubers, right? So you can just click on add. So it is being added below, right? So let us try to play and let us check. So you can see here this one is a normal zoom in options, right? So let us see. So you can see here now once it touches this, just let us pause. And if you want to add a zoom out, then you can just add a zoom out here from this options, say from here. Then you can add a zoom out also. So we'll add a zoom out. So let us see if this works or not. Let us preview. So you can see here so this is a smooth zoom in and zoom out effects that you can use inside this software. And you can see here different previous keyframe, next keyframe, right? So once you are done, you can just click on apply. Now it will take you back to the default video editor. So there are tons of options, so I'm not going to discuss each and every option. So you can apply a exposure also. You can see here colors, everything depending upon your needs, opacity. Even you can use volume. You can mute the volume and you can add a voiceover. So tons of options. And if you want to increase the speed, that is the fast forward or slow, you can just click on the speed and you can just increase or decrease the speed. You can make it a slow motion or a fast forward depending upon what you like. So there are tons of options. Definitely you should check it out by yourselves. So here once you are done editing, you can see your export, right? So if you want to export it in the full HD, then you can select here. Here are tons of options. And if you want to export it as 4K, then you can select here 4K. And below there are options for the frame rates, different frame rates, maximum to 120. Even you can select the background. You can select the background here, whatever background you want. And the custom video resolutions, if you wish, you can select the custom video resolutions also. So right now I'm gonna select full HD video. So I've already selected a full HD video, and I'll just click on done. And now just click on export, and now it will show you the final output. So here you can see more options like medium, high quality, lossless mode. So I will just select the high quality lossless mode. And below you can see the video codecs. So there are two types of video codecs. You can select the frame rates. So I'll just keep it as 30. You can see for the audio also different audio formats. And on the left side you can see a format, that is the which format you want to save. So this video editor provides you only this much of formats, whether you want to convert it to MKB, MP3, M4A and FLAC. So these are the available formats for you. So I will select a MP4, and below you can see here one more options available: enable hardware isolation. accelerations for encoding. So you can enable this option also so that it quickly converts. So let me click on start. So wait for seconds or minutes depending upon how big your video file is. So have patience until the complete processing is done. So finally the video has been converted. So you can see here the transition effect, right? So you can see here the zoom in and zoom out effect. Since I have given a border background, so it's showing a black in color, so you can remove this and you can just get a normal video also. So I have already found. So definitely a very good free video editor software for Windows and Mac computer that every YouTuber and blogger should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.